Every machine is designed to perform a specific task. When we talk about computers, it executes all operations commanded by its user. When we start a computer, it boots files and then come to the operating system. Different operating systems are being used in computer, including Microsoft, Macintosh by Apple, and Linux. In this system, we have already installed a Microsoft operating system, Windows 7. First, I will suggest you to know what softwares are already installed in our system. For knowing all the list of installed software, you have to move to your Start menu, then proceed to Control Panel. There you will find a button named by Programs and Features. By clicking on it, you will see a list of all installed software in a system. There, if you find any unknownable software which you are not using, I would recommend you to kindly uninstall it as fast as can. When we start up our computer, it runs different operations. For monitoring all these operations, we move to the taskbar, right click on it, and then proceed to Start Task Manager. There you will see a window appear. The Process tab will tell you all the functions are executed at the present time. While clicking on Show Process from All Users will tell you about all the 6970 function processes are running at the present time of your operating system. These applications may be including to execute your hardware properly with compatibility with your operating system. When the list appears, you will find different applications and function tasks started when on the startup of your operating system. I will recommend you to close all the unknown and not desirable files by right clicking on it and then choosing End Process Tree. This will end all the link processes with this function. After that, you will find a Windows appear by the Windows Task Manager to end the process tree. This will also unsafe. You may lose your data, which is unsafe. By clicking on End Process Tree, you will find there is no file present. audio.dg.exe is usually used for the recording the sound output file. If I end this file, you will not be hear to my recording or hear any sound from your sound card. Some other files which are unknown to you, close it by process tree. When we start debugging and ending the task manager, we have 71 files, 71 processes executing. But now we are closing the trees. It comes nearly about 61. This file will execute a desktop session. If you close it, there will be no harm to your system. This is a file which executes after every 15 seconds. Local manageable services. When you close it after 15 seconds, it will execute itself again. I'm not going to close this file because this file is connected with my software, which is recording all the desktop information. If you find you have accidentally closed the Explorer for a file, then there is nothing to worry about. This will create another session. If you end this process, it will disable all the Explorer files and you will not be able to see any of icon. But you can execute a function. If you want to execute it again, then proceed to File and click on New Tasks. There you will be able to run the function you have disclosed or closed already, or you want to execute it again. When the windows appear, you can create a task by providing it by extension. I'm not going to perform it because my Explorer is already executed. You will find your performance of machine from the process tab. There you will find that I have physically reduced burden from my RAM by ending extra applications on the startup. There are few files which cannot be ended because it mostly executes the resources connectivity with your operating system. In the next session, we will talk about clearing the cache, the temporary files, browser history, and every program cache which are saved in our computer.